Good morning everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel, and in this episode I'm gonna show you how I make use of our old ornaments and whatever I found also in our backyard, mixed together and come up with a new decor. So this is very simple yet attractive for me, and at the same time the most important thing is we didn't spend any money. Okay, so check your house, check outside your house, and come up with whatever works for you that you can mix and match, as I've said. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you learned something new. Have a good day. Bye.